Hey there, good morning to you. It is Tuesday, 4:52 in the morning, and a lot of the rain is now starting to move to the south. This is all associated with that atmospheric river, strong one. In fact, it is stretching all the way over the Pacific, just thousands of miles. Today, at least this morning, we'll get that break because the atmospheric river is going to move just a little bit to the south today before it moves right back up to our north over Washington before finally easing up as we head into Thursday. And so that's when we'll finally get a break, but we're not going to be totally dry. Here's a look at the flood outlook for the next couple of days. We have that flood watch in place, and all of the green, the brighter green that you see, those are river flood warnings or just flood warnings in general. So through Friday, we're still going to have rounds of heavy rain leading to those sharp river rises, and we're expecting more river flooding, moderate to major flood stage for a large majority of our rivers coming off of the Cascades especially. So again, even though we're getting that break now, we have more rain headed our way. So the rivers are going to slowly recede before they spike again. Increasing rain later, it's going to be breezy, if not windy, as we head into overnight and into Wednesday. And then you see over the weekend, we'll have increasing rain once again, but it's not expected to be nearly as major as what we're dealing with right now. And you see we're dry at the moment, a little bit of green as you see on the radar. So from about Chehalis south, that's where we have the moisture that's leading to some more rain. So that atmospheric river drifting to the south, but that is just during the day today. We'll have increasing rain as the day goes on later tonight. Here's a look at the river forecast right now. So Snohomish at Snohomish still starting to recede, but going to go right back up into major flood stage more than likely tomorrow and into Thursday. Same for the Puyallup near Orton. Later in the 5 o'clock newscast, I'll go through some more of the rivers, so will Jake. But you see a lot of them, that bright pink, that is major flood stage. So we're not out of the clear by any means. In fact, some may climb a little higher than before. Winds, I mentioned that. So this is into our overnight hours. You see how winds start to pick up generally from about Everett southward and closer to the coast as always, about 30, maybe up to 40 miles per hour. And then they may increase once again, maybe stronger into Wednesday afternoon. Once again, we're not done with the rain. Initially, we were thinking Wednesday, rain is going to start to come to an end. It may ease up, but it's going to sit with us pretty much all day long. So this is this afternoon. You see about 3:30, we get some light showers, generally south sound, more so over the southern Cascades and foothills. And then we get all of that rain moving in later tonight and into the overnight hours. And you see those yellows, those oranges, that's indicating where we're getting some of the heavier rain. And then minus the rain shadow, kind of similar to what we had yesterday. Rain totals through at least Thursday look to be like an additional 2, maybe 5 inches all the way up to the north. Could also get about 1 to 3 inches of rain. So once again, we're not in the clear just yet. I'll have more coverage coming up.